Hello student, good morning. Today we will learn the division of the polynomials, the division of one polynomials by another polynomials. With the help of example, we will try to solve the division of polynomials, how we will divide it and how many terms is there in the polynomials. And first of all, we have to understand this and one by one. So first of all, we suppose that we have to go to divide any numbers. Suppose that here is the number 15 is given numbers and divide by 5s. So what is with the 15 is said to be the dividend. It is called a dividend and the 5 is divisor, and the other parts which would be, suppose that's a 16 is given, 16 divided 5, then 16 divided by 5. So we will calculate it. 5 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, and here is a carry 1, so it is dividend. 16 is dividend, 1 is remainder, and 3 is quotient. 1 is quotient. Yes, remainder and the 3 is quotient, and here is division. So dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder on the basis of this thesis, we will try to understand what's and the terminology associated with the divisions of polynomial from one polynomial to the another polynomial. So with the help of example, suppose that here is the divisor. Suppose that divide the polynomial. Which polynomials? Divide the polynomials. Here is the polynomials is given here, x to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 8x square plus 12x plus 18 divided by is given here, divided by x square plus 5. X square plus 5. So here is the given equation. I have written here. First we will take and here is the variables x square, and this is the variable x to the power 4, and the 5 is also given here. It's a constant numbers, and this is the variable. With the help of variables we have to consider that variable is a positive, then we will take the positive numbers, and if the variable is negative, then the negative numbers. Suppose that here is the x square. So which variables we can multiply with x square, that gives us that will give us x to the power 4. So here is the x square is the variable that we will with the help of this variable, if we multiply the x square to x square, we know that if the square can be multiplied by another square, its power will always be 8. So here is the x square get 4, so x to the power 4, and further we will also multiply x square to 5, so it becomes the 5x squares. So it became 5x square. We will write the 5 squares in the given dividends, and where the x square variable is available. Yes, the 8x square is here in the form of the variable and constants. So we will write here 5x square in below the x 8x square. The 5x square is here, then we will change the signs. Here is the plus, so change into the minus, and also the 8 plus 5x square also change into the minus, and we will cancel out, say x to the power 4, x to the power will be cancel out, and then after we will write here 2x cube, and then 5x square and 5x square and x square, subtract by 8x 5x square from 8x square, we will get the plus 3x square, and another number is 12x square is given here. 12x plus 18 is given here. So we will write here again. So here is the 2x cube, say x cube square with that, and we will further consider that which variable is required, that we will multiply with the help of that variables and to the x square, that gets the x cube, and also we have to find out the 2x square, because we have to cancel out both the variables, that is why it becomes, it will solve one by one, and it's easy to subtract it. So we will take here plus 2 x is also here, x square is given here, then x, then it becomes a multiply 2x into x square, that give us 2x cube, and then further 5x to the x 2x multiply to 2x with 5, so it will be 5 2 is 10 x variable is given here. So was this the x variable is here only, so no power is only the x to the power 1 power containing 12x is here. So we will write with the help of the multiply by multiplications of 5 into 2x, it get 10x, and further we'll as we have done some before that, subtract both variables. It's here minus and change plus, change it to minus. Here is a plus, so 10x also is a plus, so we will change it to minus, and 2x cube minus 2x cube is, it we can cancel out, so that further we will write 3x squared is remained here, and after subtract 12x minus 10x, we will get 2x plus 18. Then further we will take such numbers that give us the 3x, so take the plus 3, and which numbers, which variables, x variable can be multiplied, multiply x square, then it will give us which numbers. We know that it will give us only no number, so we will take here the only the 3, multiply by 3x square, we will get 3x square, and further multiply 5x as a constant to the 5 constant to 3, and then it becomes give us a 5 3 is a 15, so plus 15, and subtract it with the help of that. So it becomes 3 minus 3 x square cancel out, then we will get 2x, and plus here's 18 minus 15 is always be a 3. 2x plus 3 is a 15x. Here is the remainder. With the help of this remainder, we can say that's a remainder is 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 is remainder, and the quotient is here is the quotient, and also x square plus 5 is also is a divisor, and here is the divided. With the help of this, we have to find out that's how we will divide the any variable or any constant with the help of these equations, and one polynomial to the another polynomial. With the help of another polynomial, we can divide and find the remainder. With the help of this, we have find out that 2x plus 3 is the remainder, but further suppose that we have to find out another numbers which also with the help of remainder. Suppose that we have to not division, taking the division methods and using the division method, complete division methods, we have to find out the remainder that it will be a completely divided nodes, and we have to find out division without actual division. So here is the value x square. X square is given here, plus 5 is the divisor. So we will write here x square is equal to plus 5, then x is equal to under root 5 plus 5 square, then it becomes under roots because it goes under root 2. So we will substitute this value in the equations. Equations is given here. Equations we have right here. Although so firstly x to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 8x square plus 12x plus 18 is written further. So we have right here, and substitute this the values right here. We will write here substitute the value of x in given equations. Here is the given equations just above this we have written here. So we will say x, here is x value is we have found under root 2 to the power 4 plus 2 under root 2 square under root 2 square plus 8 root 2 square plus 12 root 2 plus 18. So we will get here, so here 2 to the power 4, so then it becomes a square, it becomes 2 times. So suppose that x to the power 2 we will get 4. Here is we will get 4, then plus 2 to the 4, so 2, and square of the 2 is always be a root value, that becomes a 2 times. It's get a 2 to the 4, then plus 8 root 2 is 16 plus here is 12 root 2 and 18. 12 root 2 and 18 is given here, and so we know that this is the positive numbers, and 18 is given here, 18 plus 12 root 2. So here we have got it 4 16 24 plus 18 12 root 2 plus 18, and finally we will try to find out the remainder. Here is the remainder we will have find out. So with the help of these remainder theorems, remainder process, we will find out that which number is necessary and how we will calculate the remainder. This is the remainder theorems. Otherwise in the remainder theorems, we will find out that which if the equations given, polynomial is given, and with the and the dividend is given here without doing the actual divisions, how we will find the remainder. So it will give the remainder or not give the remainders, it will provide the remainder or not provide the remainders. It will be a conformance with the short period of time. So we will calculate these equations, and calculations is very easy. First of all, we have to understand the process. Process is necessary in every questions, every area, and so we have to focus that what does the question say. According to the questions is, what does questions ask, and what does the question requires, and which types of the answer it requires, and to solve the solutions will be very easy. So we have to understand each and every moment, otherwise we will not give the perfect equations and perfect questions, and solutions will be a very problematic and create a problem. Suppose that we are going to take another example with the help of another example. We will solve the another types of the questions, and with the help of division methods, and how we will find that the remainder will be remainder will be anyone's. So here is the here is the some questions. Here is a divisor. We have written this 3x minus 2 is the divisor, and dividend is here 3x cube 3x cube plus 10x square minus 14x plus 9 is given here. So with the help of 3x plus cube 3x minus 2 is given here. With the help of that divisors, we will divide it is given 3x cube plus 10x square is given here, plus 4x plus is 14x plus 9 is given here. Here is the 14x plus 9 is given here. So we will first take the variables. Here is the variables constant is 3, and here is 3x square is also constant. There is no requirement of taking the 3 because 3 is common, so we will take the one variable, one constant, and we have to take the variables. So which variable require that, to that we will multiply with the x and give us 3 power 3. So we have to take the x 1x square 1x square multiplied by square, it becomes it get us 3 x cube, and here is x. We cannot write the x because any variable always consider as x, because x is always a multiplier of that variable. So we will write here without any constant x square multiply x square by this, and 3x into x square is equal to 3x square, and further multiply the constant minus 2 into x square minus 2x square is given here. So we will write here plus minus 2x square and change the sign change the 3x square below the equations. So we have multiply and write here in the division below the dividends, and subtract it. After subtractions we will get cancel out 3x cube is cancel out, and then see here is the another number is given as 10x square minus 2x square is given, just minus 2 because we have changed the sign minus 2x square. So we will get x square plus 14x plus 9. We have to write it down here, and also 8x square plus 14x plus 9. Suppose that, now further we have to we will see that the constant value is 8 here. The constant number is 8 and 3. How we will need to find the 8s? We cannot find the 8 to if you multiply by with the help of 2, we cannot find the 8s. So how we will get 8s? So first of all we will try to find out the another numbers, and is here because in the table 3 we cannot get it 3. So we will take this 2 3 is 6 and 3 and x plus 3x multiplied by 3 is 9, it becomes more. So we will take 2x multiplied by 2x, and 2 is 4x square. 4x square is given here, plus 2 is 4x minus 4x. So we have to find out that it's a given number, and so we have to find out that here is the 4x. 4x is here is the 4x. We will write here 4x. 2 is 4x, and then subtract it. It becomes subtractions, and the subtraction we cannot change the sign because subtraction given here. So 4x square and 4x minus 10x plus 9, and then after further we will take the such equations. With the help of that we can change into the plus 2 to the 4, and so x we will take the x. So 3x into x 3x square plus 2x plus 9 we will write here, and further subtract, and because it's a minus given here, so already a minus, and this will be a plus. So we will not write here. Sometimes here we will get x square plus 2 8 is here, and 8 x plus 9 we will write down the 9s, and further we will take that no any other. So we have to divide these numbers. We cannot divide these numbers, so it will be a remainder. So this is the equations. With the help of that, so we have solved these equations very simply and a simple method. So here is the practice required for all the students, and the practice per day, so that your calculations will be fast, accurate, and right right way, right manners, and quick exercises are necessary for all physical events. We know that every person know that every professions courses also require practice, and that every person should do the practice in whole lives, in their whole lives. So first of all, we have to consider, understand, and keep the focus on this what is that, whatever I'm telling you, that the practice is necessary. Without practice we cannot achieve our goals, and we cannot be a perfect, unique, and experts. So being expert, being a master, being a perfect, we have to do such types of create such creation that we will further never be come in problems, and to solve all the guardian odds, and also go becomes to selves, and have to selves in the top positions, and have be faithful and purpose. And here is also we have given solutions with, and now we will take we have given a lot of solutions. Through example is given by me. So now I will give you a warm welcome to all you that you have attended our classes, and once again I will give you a thank you, and request you to please do like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow our channels, and give us some decisions and comments right here, so that I can make more and more necessary video and give you solutions. There are about that solutions you can solve, and you can solve any types of the equations I have given you. Thank you very much for coming on my channel, and please do subscribe. So do subscribe. I'm very much grateful if you do subscribe, so that another student will also take a profit from my these sessions and the YouTube channels. Thank you very much.